A lot of people suffer from seasonal allergies, shortness of breath, respiratory problems, even more severe cases such as asthma, COPD. A wonderful acupressure technique that you can do at home with someone that can apply these points are to use some thumb pressure on these 4 points, these upper points which are aligned. This is the shoulder blade, the scapula here, and the spine. So if you go from the very top of the scapula and about halfway between the top of the scapula and the spine are 2 lung points. They're called Bladder 13. You could reference that, and just applying, you could be straight pressure or circulatory pressure, and that will typically within 10-20 seconds allow someone to start to take a deep breath, especially if they're sort of in an acute respiratory. Now, if there's something very severe and they need to take medicine or go to the emergency room, then by all means do that. But this is definitely a home point, 2 points you can use. And then on the bottom of the scapula, same angle. If you come in about halfway to the spine, this is a point called Bladder 17, and that relates directly to the diaphragm. And that's usually what goes into spasm when people are having respiratory distress. Many years ago, I had just joined acupuncture school and was at a gathering at someone's house and started having breathing problems because of a cat dander allergy. And someone taught me this point by applying sustained pressure. Now with something like that, we were holding the point for about a minute and then releasing in a minute. And during that, I was able to take deep breaths and really help to open that up. Then because we were acupuncture students, what we were able to do was, and I'll show this, we were able to put what's called a small little press needle at these same points. I showed press needles in another video on low back pain, but here are these little tiny tacks on a band-aid. You would need an acupuncturist for this, but putting these little tacks on these same respiratory points do wonders at allowing people to take a deeper breath, relaxes that diaphragm spasm. We've been treating our patient here for about a year, over a year, with sometimes recurrent respiratory problems due to allergies and some stress factors, and these press tacks usually do an amazing job at allowing her to take deeper breaths, and they normally stick on for about a week or so, and then we just reapply them the week after. So you can look it up, Bladder 13, Bladder 17. Acupressure on these points are a fantastic home technique. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.